Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your TradingView chart settings and colors so your chart not only looks better, but feels more personal and frankly more fun to use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch between dark and light modes, customize the look of your candlesticks, and make your charts stand out with colors that fit your style. Whether you're trading every day or just want your workspace to look sharp, these tweaks make a real difference. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first. Before you get lost in all the technical indicators and price action, let's set the mood, literally, with your color theme. Look up in the top right corner of your TradingView dashboard for your profile icon. Click on that, and you'll notice an option to switch between dark mode and light mode. Just toggle that switch back and forth to see which theme fits your eyes best. For many traders, especially those working into the night, dark mode really helps reduce eye strain. If you're working during the day or just prefer a bright and clean look, light mode might be for you. There's no right or wrong choice here, it's all about what's most comfortable for you. Take a moment to flip it on, see what feels best. No rush, now moving on, let's get into the charts themselves. Right-click anywhere on your chart and you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click that. This is where the real fun begins. Under Settings, look for the Symbols tab. Here you'll notice different sections for candle colors, body, borders, and wick. These define how each candlestick appears on your chart. We're talking about the difference between just another boring chart and one that actually pops and is easier for you to read. You can be as creative as you want here. If you want your bullish candles to be a stronger green or maybe you prefer red, just click on the color box next to each option and select exactly the shade you like. Experiment a little, sometimes a less traditional color scheme actually makes it easier to spot trends or reversals. And remember, if you ever want to go back, there's always an option to reset the colors. When you're happy with your candlesticks, let's head over to the scales and lines sections within that same settings menu. Here, you can take your customization even further. You'll see options to change the colors of various elements like the symbol itself, pre-market and post-market backgrounds, and even the high and low or bid and ask lines. This is especially useful if you're tracking live price movements and want certain information to stand out. Maybe you want the high and low line to be vibrant yellow or the bid and ask to be a calming blue. Give it a try, these little tweaks can help your eyes work less and your brain work more efficiently. Next, jump over to the canvas section. This is where you can change the background of your chart. Do you want a classic black, a soft gray, or a custom color that helps the candlesticks really come into focus? Select the background color that feels just right. You'll notice there are more settings here too, like grid lines or session breaks. You can choose to make them bolder, softer, or even invisible if you want a super clean chart. Play around with these. Trading is already complex, so make your workspace a place you actually enjoy looking at. And that's really all there is to it. As you can see, TradingView gives you a lot of flexibility to make your chart look exactly how you want. Customizing these colors and settings isn't just about style. It helps you feel more in control and comfortable when you're analyzing the markets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or you want to share your own chart setup ideas, drop a comment below. I always love hearing what you all come up with. And if you want more tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy trading.